Hello and welcome everyone. Myself CMA Bhagyashree Hule. Today we are going to discuss that how to study paper number 13. Okay, so that is corporate law and compliances. I am talking about syllabus 2016 CMA final. Okay, so in that paper number 13 is of law. Okay, law and compliances. So in that we are going to discuss that how to study that paper, because your strategy makes your efforts more effective. Okay, so that's why strategy is most important, because if you don't follow the strategy, then you may do that means least weightage part you may cover first, and most weightage part you may cover last. So that is not a proper strategy. So that's why I would like to share my strategy with you to cover paper number 13. Okay, so paper number 13 contains three sections, that is A, B, C. This is 60%, that is A section, 25% is a B section, and C section is of 15%. Okay, so first of all, I would like to say you that you should study first this section C. Okay, so that you will get the 15 marks. Okay, because this section contains only two study note and that are very easy. Okay, so ये जो study note है, study note number 7 and 8, ये section C में है, जो हमको फर्स्ट करना चाहिए, क्योंकि वो बहुत छोटा भी है स्टडी नोट, और वैसे देखा जाए तो बहुत इजी है. सो इट विल गिव अस टोटल 15 मार्क्स. ओके, so minimum 15 marks we will definitely get from the corporate governance. Okay, even though we are going to write a short note or a theory question, so we will not get full means out of marks, but then too these two study notes are very easy, and you can do it by your own very easily. So that's why this is my suggestion to do this section C first, so that we will secure our 15 marks. Okay, so this is very important and easy too. After that, after completing this section C, we will go for second, my second ranking will be goes to section A in that IBC part. Okay, because in this section A there are two parts. First of all, 50% is for company laws, and 10% that would be for IBC. So that IBC is confirmed of 10 marks. So we have to do for IBC, we have to go for IBC, which is given in annexure 1. Means after completing, you can check your index. You should keep your study material while watching this video. So in that you will get this topics in your index. So here section 6, after completing section 6, you will find that annexure 1, that is for IBC. Okay, so IBC, insolvency and bankruptcy code 2016. So this is also very important and easy too. So here 15 marks we have covered, and here 10 marks, so total 25 marks easily we are covering from this study note number 7, 8 and this annexure. Okay, after that we will go for third part, that is section A. Okay, in section A, this is very lengthy section A, because it contains 50 marks, but we can do only limited part from this study note. Okay, so study note number 1 is total given in section A. Okay, you can refer your index. So in that study note number 1 there are parts A, B, C, D, like that parts are given, but most important parts you have to do very first. So that is board of directors part E. Okay, board of directors and managerial personnel. So this is the very important, because nowadays this was the first offline exam after the 3 attempts of online exam, that is I am talking about December 2022, which was conducted in January 2023. I have completed my CMA final in that attempt only. So I have solved that paper. So I observe one thing, that after this 3 attempts of online exam, now they are institute is giving us offline exam. So in that, the paper is like 50% paper you can write easily. Means if you have studied the entire syllabus in a proper way, then you can write 50% paper very easily. But after that 50%, you have to do some struggle for the scoring, right? सो 50% तक का पेपर आप इजीली लिख पाओगे अगर अच्छे से पढ़ाई किया है तो, ओके मतलब स्ट्रैटेजी बना के जो भी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है वो पहले करके ऐसा कुछ अगर आपने किया रहेगा तो आप लोग 50% मतलब 50 मार्क्स का पेपर अच्छे से लिख पाओगे। लेकिन उसके बाद का जो स्कोरिंग है, क्योंकि एग्रीगेट के लिए हम लोग को मतलब थोड़ा बहुत तो एक्स्ट्रा स्कोर करना ही पड़ता है, ओके। सो नॉर्मली हम लोग 100 मार्क्स का पेपर लिखते हैं, उसमें से 50% आराम से लिख जाओगे। लेकिन जो ऊपर का जो भी स्कोरिंग रहेगा एग्रीगेट के लिए जो इंपॉर्टेंट है वो करते करते मतलब प्रॉब्लम आ सकता है, इसीलिए अच्छे से पढ़ो ताकि 50% तो एटलीस्ट हर एक पेपर में आप लोग कवर कर सके, ओके। सो अभी पेपर बहुत इजी नहीं आ रहे, ओके। Nowadays papers are not very easy because in case of law also, if you watch analysis of the January 2023 papers, so you can get the idea about this because somewhere case studies are more in law, okay. Normally case studies are more in law, so that's why direct theory questions institute is not asking. If you know the concept, if you know the provisions, if you know the sections, and then only you can write दैट केस स्टडीज, ओके। डायरेक्टली हम लोग कुछ भी नहीं लिख सकते केस स्टडी में, रेफरेंस तो देना ही पड़ता है। सो दैट्स वाई इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू फॉलो द स्ट्रैटेजी, ओके। So here board of directors, because from board of directors there are many chances to ask for the case study, so that's why part E is more important, board of directors and managerial personnel, okay. After that part F is important, that is board meeting, okay. You can check your index. Then part A is little bit important because that's okay, means that is they can ask the case study or else direct question from this part. So this is also a little bit important part. So part A, that is company formation, like that part. After that dividend, okay, part C is dividend. I did all all four parts very nicely, so I was not getting any problem in law paper, okay. So around 50% marks I score easily in law paper. After that if you are having sufficient time, then you can go for part D and G, okay. That is account and audit part, and inspection, inquiry and investigation, because from here also case study can come. So that's why it's optional part. If you are having sufficient time, extra time, then also then only you can go for this too, okay. But this is my minimum strategy, okay. I just followed this only. What I did, I'm just sharing with you. After that section B, okay. So section B I will do I will give the 4th rank for this. So in that, this is actually easy section, but it contains 25 marks, okay. And here we have completed now 15%, that is section C. After that IBC 10, it means 25, and from this section A means 50%, right, because IBC I have got 10%. So 50% में से इधर आप लोग को मिनिमम हम लोग पकड़ के चलते 25 तो मिल ही जाएगा, okay. So here 15 plus 10, it is 25, and here 25, so it is total 50 marks, okay. After studying this part up to this part, we can say that we can cover 50 marks, okay. Here total 25 and here 25, it is 50 marks, okay. And here you can read this NCLT part once or twice. So if any case study or direct question may come from here, so you can write that, okay. So this is sufficient enough according to me in section A, because I did only this, okay. And from where to study, this is the most important question, because this is a group 3, okay. These are the subject of group 3. I have already uploaded for SFM, that is paper number 14, and I am uploading the videos for SFM also. So but for law I cannot upload the videos because it's a theory part, and I would not like to provide this video, but I will share you that whose videos are better for the law, and I just followed in my last attempt and I clear this group, okay. So if you don't have any direction, you are doing self study, then you can follow my strategy also. So I hope success will be yours. So but this is the YouTube channel, so I cannot share the channel name directly in the video. So we are having our Telegram group, so I will upload this strategy in the Telegram group subject wise, and accordingly I will write the name of the channel that you can prefer for the particular subject. Like for law, whose channel is better, whose videos are good, whose notes are good, because sometimes na according means in the video they provide the notes also, okay. So you will get the notes of law also. For law I use my study material, and notes of one sir, but I cannot say the name of that sir here, because it would be like a promotion, so I don't want to create any problem to my channel. So that's why I will mention the name of that channel and details in the telegram group. So please follow the telegram group, you will get the, definitely you will get the benefit from that. Okay, so come to the point. Here fourth strategy, that is fourth rank will be goes to section B. Means here up to this minimum we covered 50 marks. Now we are going to cover this section B. Okay, normally this is a CMA final and this is a group 3, and you know that how is the group 3. Okay, normally people clear group 4 easily in a one attempt, but for group 3 there are many less people are there who can clear the group 3 easily. So you know that how lengthy and difficult this group is. So that's why don't take a risk and don't skip anything directly. You have to do some part from that section. Okay, I'm not skipping entire section A, but I'm doing somewhere 3-4 points at least which are most important properly. So this is the proper strategy. You cannot directly skip like a inter. Okay, in inter you can directly skip one section easily because you can score from another sections, but here question may ask from anywhere, and problem is that they are asking case study. So you have to prepare with all the sections. Okay, so I'm not telling you to skip anything directly, but try to follow one strategy. Okay, so because if you follow the strategy, then it will be time saving and effective preparation. Okay, so this is a section B. Study note number 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. This section B contains total 5 study notes. Okay, in that most important study note is SEBI. Okay, these all topics are covered by that particular channel, so I will provide you the name of that channel, so you will get the notes also and very nice videos also. Okay, so here full SEBI and after that see entire study note. Okay, this entire study note, because in this parts are there, part A, B, C, D, like that, but that entire study note number 2 is for SEBI, and you have to follow the SEBI, the entire study note. Okay, you have to study it. After that section 3, that is Competition Act 2002. From here also sometimes direct questions they may ask, so this is also better part, so you can do this. And study note number 5 is actually most important. Okay, part B and part C. Okay, part B, that is security restructuring of a financial assets, like that somewhere name is there, and money laundering. Normally money laundering में से एक तो question दिखेगा ही दिखेगा आपको normally. Okay, so this is the most important part from the section B. After that insurance. See this competition and from this insurance you can do means you can check the content from that study note, and you can decide that how direct question will be asked, because from here case study may not come. This will be for a direct question or a short note, like that. So here competition and insurance, you have to observe those study notes and you have to just analyze that from where direct question is possible. Okay, so if from competition there are chances of direct question, and insurance like principles of insurance they may ask. Okay, like that question may come. And most important, that is functions of IRDA, that is frequently asking question, functions or duties of IRDA. Okay, insurance regulatory development authority. Okay, so that is the most important part. I'm not telling you to do each and everything from this study note number 3 and 6, but you can do the maximum up to your capacity. Okay, and last part I will tell you that study note number 4, because from FEMA sometimes question may come, sometimes it may not come, so it's not that important as compared to others. Okay, so this is my strategy to complete this section B. Okay, I'm not skipping anywhere anything directly, but I am doing, see I have done this 25 marks totally. Okay, after that here somewhere I skip, so that's why from 50 I'm just counting 25. Okay, after learning all these things at least 30 marks you will get, but I am counting only 25. So here 50 marks are completed, and this section is of 25 marks. So I'm just keeping somewhere, or else preparation is not done properly in like that way. If I score 10 to 15 marks, okay, let's count minimum, that is 10 marks. Okay, out of 25 I will get 10 marks from here. Okay, so total up to this 50 marks we have covered, and here 10 marks. So how much we get, that is 60 marks. Okay, so from 60 marks, if they reduce because of case study, conclusion and all like that, at least 50 you will get. Okay, I'm just telling you minimum to minimum. Okay, we are not planning for a worst, but we are not expecting higher, because nowadays paper are not normal as compared to earlier. Okay, before COVID it was normal, somewhere it was normal, but now it's not normal. If you check the analysis of papers of January 2023, you may understand that how paper are. So I'm not planning for the worst, but I'm telling you that if you do this kind of part, then you may get at least 60 marks, or in the worst case up to 50 to 55 marks. Okay, so this is my strategy for the paper 13, that is law. And last but not least, that is objective you have to do, because objective will not come same as from the PDF which is given by the institute, means that name is bit question. Okay, so objective you can do from the bit question PDF, but it will not come directly, but 3 to 4 objective will come from that. So that will be the benefit for you, and that will be the practice to solve the objectives. Okay, and objectives are like a one kind of revision, so that's why objective PDF don't ignore, you have to do. Okay, and this is the most important attempt for you, because after 2 attempts this 2016 syllabus will be stopped. Okay, examination will be of only 2022 exam. Okay, so don't take more attempts, maximum possible time आप लोग को देना है और जल्दी से क्लियर कर डालो. ओके, बिकॉज क्वेश्चन पेपर कैसा आएगा, चेकिंग कैसा होगा, कुछ भी नहीं पता है हम लोग को, और नॉर्मली क्वेश्चन पेपर का जो लेवल है वो हाई होता जा रहा है, इसीलिए बेटर है कि जल्दी से जल्दी आप लोग को कवर करना और पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट रखना. ओके, यू हैव टू कीप योर माइंड पॉजिटिव फ्रॉम प्रिपरेशन टू एग्जाम एंड टू टिल द रिजल्ट. ओके, टिल द रिजल्ट, उधर तक आप लोग को पॉजिटिव रहना है. ओके, इसीलिए जो भी प्रिपरेशन मन लगा के कीजिए, और ऐसे समझना कि बस ये अपने ये ग्रुप का लास्ट प्रिपरेशन है, तो बस हो जाएगा आपका, डोंट वरी. ओके, so here objective PDF, after that offline past papers. Okay, normally don't follow the online, because in that papers paper pattern was somewhere different, and questions are asked somewhere okay, somewhere difficult, so it will lose your confidence level. So it is better to follow the offline past papers. Okay, those 3 attempts were of online, then you can skip those past papers, but January 2023 paper is the most important paper for you, that will tell you how much you can score in the coming attempt. Okay, so that's it. If you have any doubt, then you can ask in the Telegram group. Okay, okay, and I will provide you the name for the paper 13. Okay, that would be very helpful for you, because I follow that channel, and result is in front of you. I clear my group. Okay, so here we are completing our discussion for how to study paper number 13. For paper number 14 I have already uploaded. Okay, if you haven't watched that video, then please check my playlist. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, then please like the video, do share with your friends, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more updates, and please check my channel's playlist to get more videos on various topics. Thanks for watching, friends.